Hi, my name is Turbin Singh, and I'm going to be showing my project, which is a car alarm. So, as we see, this is my remote control, the wireless remote control. This is all wireless. That's just the power cord. So that's all wireless communication through the Zigbee. And so this is my remote control. That's the LCD on it. It's just saying have a good day. I hope you're having a good day. Hope your day's going good, whatever. Okay, anyways. So yeah, that's the remote control, and that is the base board. That is going to be installed in your car. And that's the keypad, and that's the LCD and everything. So yeah, so let me show you the functionality of this. So first of all, right now the state of your car is locked. That your car is locked, and suppose someone comes in and bumps into your car, like a little bump. Like I reduced the sensitivity of this board to not too much because the alarm can get annoying. But yeah, so if someone bumps into your car, this accelerometer would move, and which would notice a reading on the low beam, that LED right here, the low beam, and the high beam LED right here, and the speaker. So if someone bumps into your car right now, it would go. Oops. Yep, that's what it would do. Okay, so what else? Okay, so now when you enter your car, there would be like a little switch right here. You see that toggle switch? That would, when you enter the car, that would turn on. It should be at where the door is. And when this turns on, the LCD should say enter password. And there it says enter password. Okay, now the LCD is right there. Okay, now the keypad comes into play. Okay, so now you could use the keypad to program a password. Suppose you press this button is what helps you program the password. So suppose I want, okay, enter new password. I want the password to be 2222. Enter. Your password is set. Enter your password. Suppose if I enter 0000. Enter. Wrong password. Enter your password again. You get 2 tries to enter the right password, or your car alarm goes on. And the problem with this, like, the user cannot use the car right now because you see this LED that is displaying the starter. So the starter of the car right now is disengaged. The LED being off, showing the starter is disengaged. That starter has to engage for your car to start. So right now he cannot start the car. So to start the car, he has to enter the right password. The first chance he got, he didn't enter the right password. Second chance, as you remember, the password was 2222. The password has to be 4-digit one. That's what I programmed it to be. So if you enter 2222, the password is in encrypted format. So and correct password, and your starter is engaged. So you're good to go. And suppose, okay, let me just reset it. Okay, suppose now let's go into another format and see what happens if he enters the password wrong. 0 0 wrong password because your password is 2222. 0 0 0 0 wrong password. Alarm activated, unauthorized entry. And what this does is it activates the off-center motor that I have on your remote control, signaling that something is wrong. So at this point, you press the alarm deactivated button, and your alarm's off. So that is through wireless communication, and it shows on the LCD on the remote control your alarm has been deactivated. That is through wireless communication through Zigbee. Isn't that cool? So your alarm gets activated through wireless communication. Now, you're just walking around and stuff, and you park your car, you come back, you have no idea where your car is, and so usually the cars have that panic button. So I developed a little panic button myself. The panic button right there. So when you press this, your alarm goes off for a little while. So press this. Do you hear that? The alarm goes off and it turns off. And your LCD says panic alarm. So you're not sure where your car is, you know where your car is. If you still can't find that, do it again. This is all interrupt based. You could do it, it's through a UART interrupt. So you could do it over and over again, but you could just do one thing at a time. You cannot like deactivate the alarm and do the panic alarm at the same time, because it's all interrupt based. And now the main feature that all the cars have is the door lock unlock. That push button right there unlocks and locks your doors. So you push that and you see that door lock LED, that's supposed to go on. So I'm gonna push it right now, and it's all wireless, and bam! And the LCD says doors are unlocked. So yeah, and the LED is on, your door unlock LED. So that's pretty sick, huh? And that's my senior project.